Welcome to episode 14 of Kevin's Corner. If you're wondering what's different about me, I'm not hungover. Last week, we explored part B of the behavior change framework, the testing phase. We established that in behavioral economics, we test our designs at the variable level. Variables are merely minor variations within a single feature, and testing at this level allows us to identify which variables are most crucial in influencing customer decision-making. As a reminder, we came up with a variety of features for eHome, notably Mortgage Buddy and Conventional Form 2.0. So let's first explore Mortgage Buddy. If you remember, we came up with the Mortgage Buddy feature because we wanted to replicate the feeling of customers speaking to their trusted financial advisor in the digital context of eHome, all to combat the need for certainty principle. We identified that this Mortgage Buddy feature had two core variables. One was format, and the other was default guidance. In regard to format, we could position Mortgage Buddy as a chatbot that customers could engage with at their discretion throughout the application, or as a series of contextually integrated tooltips on various pages within the application. But which format of Mortgage Buddy would combat the need for certainty principle more effectively? In other words, which format would encourage customers to feel more comfortable in selecting a mortgage rate option on their own online? And what about the guidance variable? We could position all Mortgage Buddy insights on the pages which required them by default, or we could have customers trigger a Tell Me More mechanic, which would expand those insights at the customer's discretion. The same questions apply to the guidance variable. Which variation would combat the need for certainty principle more effectively? In other words, which variation would encourage customers to feel more comfortable selecting a mortgage rate option on their own online? At the feature level, we tested if Mortgage Buddy encouraged customers to select a mortgage rate option on their own online and how long it took them to do so. But since we're behavioral economists, we also tested at the variable level. We tested both formats of Mortgage Buddy, the chatbot and the tooltips, and we also tested both guidance variables of Mortgage Buddy, the default guidance and the Tell Me More mechanic. At this variable level, we tested which format and which guidance of Mortgage Buddy encouraged customers to select a mortgage rate option on their own online more effectively. As it turns out, the winner was the tooltips in regard to the format variable and the Tell Me More mechanic in regard to the guidance variable. Here's how the winning variables came to life as the Mortgage Buddy feature in the eHome application. Next week, we'll explore the second key feature within eHome, Conventional Form 2.0. Come back next week, please.